How to add transitions in InShot app. So first thing first, let's open InShot app, and I assume that you have already downloaded the app on your mobile phone. So once you open it, you will be able to see the interface, and in create new section there is video, photo and collage. So make sure to select a video. So once you do that, you can simply select a video from your gallery by tapping on new, or you can also select your drafted one. So you can choose any of them. So let me tap on new for now, and now let me choose a video. So once you choose it, you can see there is a green button at the bottom right corner of this section. So just tap on that green button, and finally you'll be able to edit your video from here successfully. So now before transition, we need to cut this clip. So let me split it. So if you don't know how to split this, simply slide it to the left in the toolbar. So now you can see there is split option in here. So just tap on it, and yeah, you'll be able to split a part from here. So now you can see there is white button in here in the clip, at the middle of the clip. So just tap on that white button, and once you do that, you can see there is lots of transition in here. So you can simply select any of them from here, and yeah, you will be able to add your transition in your videos in InShot successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to add transition on your InShot app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.